Hello everyone, welcome to PJ Chemistry channel. Previous video we started mole concept. Uh, Today's video you want to get understand. Today's lecture you want to get understand means previous video compulsory you should watch. Okay. After that only you continue this video you will be get understand easily. Directly if you observe this lecture you will not have clarity. Yes. Once I will give previous video lecture briefing atomic mass unit we discussed means when we atom divided into the particular many parts. For example, carbon, its mass number is 12 divided into 12 parts. In that, one of the smallest part, 1 by 12th part of C12 isotope we considered as AMU. So here nucleus, when we cut into 12 parts, nucleus contains protons and neutrons. So protons and neutrons together we call nucleons. That is what that nucleons, when we are cutting into 12 parts, the particular one unit, 1 by 12th part nucleons we are calling AMU. Already we discussed 1 AMU is equals to 1.66 into 10 to the power of minus 24 grams. Okay. After that, mass of an atom of an element. To find one formula we discussed. What is that? AMU into atomic mass. AMU is nothing but 1.66 into 10 power minus 24 grams into atomic mass. How many parts we divided? Total 12 parts if carbon means. If you take nitrogen, 14 parts we divide. Oxygen, 16. Like that, based on how many parts we divide, that is the we are considering AMU into atomic mass. That both if you multiply, you will get a mass of one atom of an element. This all we discussed in the previous video. Today that's continuation. Atomic mass or relative atomic mass. Atomic weight atomic weight or relative atomic weight. Relative atomic weight or AW. Relative atomic weight, or you can write relative atomic mass also. Atomic mass or relative atomic mass. As per physics means there will be a difference between the mass and the weight, but we are taking in chemistry normal. Okay. Now, what is meant by atomic weight or relative atomic weight or atomic mass or relative atomic mass? Is nothing but the particular number means how many parts we divided that number. The number which indicates how many times heavier than 1 by 12th part of C12 isotope are called atomic weight or relative atomic weight, or atomic mass or relative atomic mass. So the particular atom we are divided into carbon means 12 parts we divided means the number 12th number. How many times heavier than 1 by 12th part of C12 isotope? If nitrogen, the number 14. How many times heavier than 1 by 12th part of C12 isotope? Means here standard unit is carbon 12 isotope. They taken as a standard unit. 1 by 12th part of C12 isotope is nothing but AMU. They are considered as a standard unit, a reference element, carbon 12 isotope. So the number which indicates how many times heavier than 1 by 12th part of 1 by 12th part of C12 isotope. C12 isotope we should mention because carbon having different mass numbers. Carbon 12 only we are considering as a reference element. C12 isotope. The number which indicates how many times heavier than 1 by 12th part of C12 isotope. See the formula now. Relative atomic weight formula or atomic weight formula. Relative atomic weight is equals to mass of one atom of an element. Mass of one atom of an element. How to find out mass of one atom of an element? We discussed in the previous video. Check once. Mass of one atom of an element divided by 1 by 12th part of 1 by 12th part of C12 isotope. Now, mass of one atom of an element, as per previous video we discussed the formula or of mass of one atom of an element is nothing but previous video we discussed mass of one atom of an element formula AMU into atomic weight. AMU into atomic weight. AMU into atomic weight is nothing but to find out mass of one atom of an element. Previous video we discussed clearly. You will observe. You will get to know. Now, 1 by 12th part of C12 is nothing but AMU. This also we discussed in the previous video. Check it once. You will get clarity. So, mass of an atom of an element is formula AMU into atomic weight divided by 1 by 12th part of C12 is atomic mass unit definition. So, this AMU and this AMU both will get cancelled. This AMU both will get cancelled. Remaining what will be there? Atomic weight. So, the particular remaining atomic weight. Okay, how many times heavier than 1 by 12th part of C12 isotope means their atomic weights only. So here go through example. For example, I want oxygen. Oxygen relative atomic weight. Oxygen having how many protons, how many neutrons total? Its mass number is 16 means 8 protons, 8 neutrons. Okay, so mass is substitute in this mass of one atom of an element. Mass of one atom of an element. Okay, which mass? Oxygens. We are going to calculate for oxygen. Relative atomic weight of oxygen I want. So immediately formula mass of an atom of an element of oxygen. Formula what? AMU. AMU value? No need to write AMU value also directly. AMU into atomic weight of oxygen how much? 16. Divided by 1 by 12th part of C12 is nothing but AMU. AMU. This both will get cancelled, remaining 16. So How many times heavier than 1 by 12th part of C12 isotope of oxygen means 16 times heavier. Like that, you take any element, how many times heavier means its atomic weight times heavier. Okay, like that you can go through the different examples. Nitrogen, if you take nitrogen, how many times heavier? Its mass number is 14 times heavier. Okay, oxygen is already discussed on oxygen atomic mass. Next, iron, how many times heavier? 56 times heavier, because iron mass number is 56. Like that, that atomic mass only. How many times heavier means 1 by 2 to the power of C12 isotope. That many atomic mass numbers. Yes. Next, now molecular mass or relative molecular mass. Previous atomic mass or relative atomic mass. Atomic weight or relative atomic weight. We discussed. Now molecular mass or relative molecular mass, or molecular weight or relative molecular weight. We are going to discuss. See here, same definition, same formula, small changes. That is what I kept as it is like that only. Wherever we need to mention that, I am going to add it. Molecular mass or relative molecular mass. Molecular mass or relative molecular mass, or molecular weight or relative molecular weight, like that also you can take. The number which indicates same definition. The number which indicates here, which number? Molecular mass number. The number which indicates how many times heavier than 1 by 12 part of C12 isotope. So at the time formula, relative molecular mass or relative molecular weight. Molecular mass or molecular weight, both are same we are considering. So here sometimes RMM I am writing, sometimes MW I am writing. Both are same. Molecular mass, molecular weight. Okay. So mass of atom means mass of one atom of an element we discussed. Here molecular mass of one molecule of an element. We should mention here small change, mass of one molecule. Mass of one molecule of an element divided by 1 by 12th part of C12 isotope. Okay. So to find out mass of one atom of an element, we discussed the mu into atomic weight. Here what we should mention? Mu into molecular weight. Mu into molecular weight. Molecular weight. Mu into molecular weight. Same formula. Mu will get cancelled. Remaining, what will be there? Molecular weight. Molecular weight. Okay. Here, for example, we are going to calculate for oxygen molecule. Previously we discussed oxygen atom. Atom is 16 we got. Molecule means oxygen is a diatomic molecule. Oxygen is a diatomic molecule. So diatomic molecule O2. O2 means 1 oxygen, 16, 2 oxygens, 32. It is the molecular weight of oxygen. Same way, Mu will get cancelled. Remaining what will be there? 32. 32. If you take nitrogen, N2, 28 you will get. If you take CO2, carbon dioxide, CO2 molecular mass how much? Carbon 12 plus 2 into 16. 2 oxygens are there. Total 44 you will get. So, relative molecular weight of carbon dioxide how much means? 44 you will get. Okay. So, here, if you observe, there is no units for atomic weight or molecular weight. Yes or no? No units. All units are cancelled. So, just number. the number which indicates how many times heavier than 1 by 12th part of C12 isotope. How many times means the particular atomic weight times or molecular weight times if it is a molecule. Okay, understood children? Next,